Hey guys, so this is my altar. I'm going to show you what I have created. Put my energy, my time. So, got these at the dollar store. Got these shells at Ikea for $3.99. Got these dollar store. Just glue them on. You can decorate it the way you want. You can put a cloth. It's up to you. It's your altar. You're putting your energy, your thought, everything in there, your vibration. So I have my singing bowl on my altar daily with your children or yourself. You can meditate. I have my Florida water. I just restocked, so I have them here charging with the holy water as well. I have my candles as well, my herbs, essential oils, and then here I put my rose petals. Right now I'm waiting for them to dry. And I have my money bowl that I daily do the rituals. Every day when I find coins, dime, nickels, I just put them there. I have here my grandpa. He loves beer, so I put it there for him. I have my candle, and then I have my gemstone, my crystal. And then these I got at the dollar store. So these can be petitions, so you can write whatever you want, manifest into your life. And have them charging at your altar. So when every day when you wake up, you go to bed, you pray, you put your energy, all your thoughts into this. And then let me show you my other favorite, two favorite actually. I have my copper mug here. So you should be charging your water every night, and in the morning you consume it. And then I have my dog Gargoyle. He's here guarding us. So this is where he keeps all the bad people away. So there you go, this is my altar, and then I have my stuff here, extra stuff that I need to restock the candles, but I have my sand. Oh yeah, let me show you. So you can put your sand there with your candle, and what you can do as well, if you want, you can poke 7 holes. Well, 7 is my favorite number, but you can poke holes onto it and put essential oils. And this is my book. Let me show you, just briefly. So I have my incense there, and this is my witch book. So I'm writing all the spells and potion onto here. So you guys can get these at the dollar store and just keep it at your altar charging. So this is all yours.